Welcome to our channel. As many requests on how to dismantle Saga 2019 bumper, today we will show you how to dismantle Saga 2019. Yes. Let's check the tools. As usual, okay, I won't go through all the name. You check the product list below the description. We are using our language. Okay. Then start. We make it simple, very simple. We start on here first. Here beside got one. Using 10 mm. We call it Feng Tao. If you can't understand our language, never mind, you can check on description and then you can use ai chai. Make sure it's unscrewed, don't pull out because a line here will loosen. Okay, be careful, don't always pull. And then clack about bottom here. When the car is new, the clip is smooth, but look like okay. This too much dust here. A little bit hard. Done. One more here. When the car is too much dust in here, so this clip will be very hard to open. And usually if very hard, it will broke. Try not to break it. Or you can go through our special tools. Later we'll share in the links below. I try again. You see, when it loosen, you can't unscrew it, so it will not come out. So what's the way? Use test pen, lift it up a bit, make some pressure on it, so when you unscrew, you see so many sand. That's the reason you cannot open. Okay, get it? So unscrew. One more up here, 10 mm or so. Done. And two more screws here. Remember, gather all the screws. Don't mix up. Later you will have it. Okay. As usual, check your screws, clips. How many you got? 4, yes. And then 2. Okay, remember all these clips. Don't miss out any. And then go to bumper. Just lift it up. 4 by clips. And then here, 4 by clips. Reverse sensor cable is here, so you can. Okay. Okay, you open your reverse sensor cable first before you unplug the bumper. Just a socket, let me see. Okay, just a socket. This one is not a socket. Okay, if you want to fully take out this bumper, this all clips, you must all take it out because we attach this one. So let's try on clips. I can't see.
Cannot see.
Can. Okay. A little bit loosened, don't flip it, you see, so be better by touch. But I can't see. One more. Okay, done. So here you go. The whole bumper. Who wants? Make some comment. I sell it for you. Thanks, guys.
If you guys like our video, please share it out, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell button to get notification for our upcoming video.